Hello, besties. Welcome back to Awesome Braid. My name is Rosalind. On this channel, we focus on everything hair and more, from easy, quick, and affordable styles, both for you and your girls. And if this is what you're looking for, please click the subscriber button down below to join the family. With no further ado, let's dive right in. So get the two strands of hair that you want to work with, cross it over, then divide the hair, okay, this section that you have, okay, working with, divide it into two because we want to achieve two braids from it. Then place that hair just like you see me place it and hold the natural hair and the extension, then loop it twice. Once you loop it twice, hold with your left hand, right hand, and then use the left hand to divide the hair, the natural hair, into two, and then match it with the strands and begin braiding down. I'll repeat the same thing again, okay, so that you see this is self-explanatory. Again, this hair was done under 2 hours, including sectioning the hair. I have about 6 sections, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 sections of this hair. But again, we're gonna get, or at the end we are going to have 12 braids, no, 13, because the one in the center I did 3 braids from it. So you see what I mean, okay? But again, all was done with under 2 hours. So enjoy it and let's do this together. Everybody's saying that I lost my mind, but I'm never. I'm gonna repeat the same step again, okay? Just place the hair just like you see me do, okay? Then hold it together with the natural hair and then loop it twice. Alright? Loop it twice. Then use your right hand to hold one strand and then divide with the other left hand the natural hair. Then match it with the extension and begin braiding. And there was it. Okay, I did not braid to the end. I had to secure it somewhere. Okay, once I passed the hair, her natural hair and a little bit down, which you see. So I always secure mine each time, and of course before I secure it, I always kind of wrap it again, because that gives it extra security. The hair isn't going to lose until you're ready to take the hair down, even if it's a curly hair. Yes. So I just do that. You're gonna see what I mean. I'm just gonna take a pieces of hair, then wrap it like this, okay? Where the braid stop, wrap it. It doesn't matter how many times, and then secure it about 3 times or 2 times in that haste that's in until you're ready to take it down. And this is as simple as that, and that's how we're gonna repeat the whole head until we are done. So stay tuned and enjoy. And if you're enjoying it so far, like this hair, subscribe to our channel, and share it to loved ones who will love this type of hairstyles. Because I understand we are moms and we're busy. We do not have enough time to sit, okay? And even the kids, they get bored at. So this hairstyle is the hairstyle, the go-to hairstyle, okay? I'm using this curly hair. I've done it before on my channel, with the braiding hair, and I'm doing it with this curly hair, okay? So you can use any extension that you want. But again, this is the quickest, easiest hairstyle that you can think of. So enjoy it again and let's continue. And thank you for being here. We appreciate you. If you're enjoying this video, please do us a favor, like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more. Also, share it with your loved ones. We are almost done and we are glad you are here up to this time. Thank you and continue to enjoy. Alright, so we are done with the hair under 2 hours, including every single thing from sectioning to braiding. Yes, we did section the hair off camera because we've done it before, okay, on camera. I will link the video somewhere in this, okay. That one we didn't do the coily ends, but this time around we used the coily ends, okay. So I went ahead to trim the ends of this hair, okay, just to reduce the length a little bit. And then now I'm on to accessorizing it, okay. Do as you please, all right. You can leave it as it is or you accessorize it. It's your choice, but I just sometimes try to throw in, this accessories once in a while. It takes the hair from a 1 to 100, if you believe what I say, okay. But anyways, thank you so very much for being here and watching this video up to this time, okay. And hope you get to try it on your girl, okay, or on yourself. But again, I loved and I enjoyed every single thing. Until next time, stay blessed and God bless you. We love you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more, and also share the video. Thank you again and stay blessed. Till next time, bye.